Hey guys, how you doing? Mowers and Blowers here again. I'm on my way to get a free lawnmower. Due to just throwing it out, and I'm just gonna go and get it, you know. So it's nearby. I'm almost there. It's a Craftsman, and she said it just didn't start. It's easy enough, right? Anyway, I'm in. I don't even know where I am. I'm almost there. Alright, I'm here. And there it is. Looks like it's in good shape. It's a Craftsman push mower. Looks complete. Good shape. It is not self-propelled. Anyway, I'm not going to take his sheet. I'm going to load it up. It's easy enough, man. I'm going to take it home. Hey guys, how you doing? Henry here at Mowers and Blowers. Got a call from a guy who saw my ad. If you're throwing away your lawnmower, don't throw it away to the curb. Give it to somebody. Give it to me. I'll come get it. Anyway, she said that this one just didn't run and gave me the address. I went over and picked it up. And here it is. And it's a push mower. Craftsman Briggs & Stratton Gold. 6.75 gross pounds of torque, 190 cc. Looks like it's in good shape, you know. Doesn't even have any, many scratches on the side, which usually there is, you know. By the looks of it, looks like there's a lot of Earl and dirty carb is probably it. Ought to be an easy fix. Of course, every time I say that, I probably jinxed it. Anyway, I'll just take that air cleaner cover off and see what we got. Thought I'd wear my Mowers and Blowers turf flip-flops. Just see the looks I get. Anyway, so it's not that dirty. It's dirty, but it's not that dirty. Earl. That's not that good. This thing has an auto choke. Therefore, there's no primer bulb. Therefore, to take the carburetor off, you have to take the whole cowling off because you have to have access to this auto choke screw. To take this off, disconnect it from the carburetor. Pretty dirty. This thing was bent all the way in like that. I just bent it straight because if it was bent in like that, it wasn't really getting any throttle, you know. That could have contributed to why it doesn't start, but since there's a lot of oil over here, oh hell, who knows. When I took that fuel line off, water came out of it. That could be water. Well, that would be the reason why it doesn't start. Unless this is one of those hydrogen engines, which I doubt. Well, anyway, I took the carburetor off anyway. Might as well take a look and see how dirty it is. Maybe it wasn't water, because there was fuel in there, just a little bit, and it was clean. So, I'm gonna open that clamp and pour some of it into a jar and see. So, has a little water in it, and it's really foul smelling gas. I mean, you put your nose to it and it's like ammonia, you know? So it's bad gas for sure. That's strange. So that foul smelling stuff is on the bottom. It's actually heavier than the top. So that top part is gas, good gas. Bottom part Usually it's water, but it doesn't look like water, you know? That's weird. Now, the only thing to do is to put some gas inside. And then we see if all this work was worth it. If it starts, very good. If not, maybe we must check out the spark plug. So I tried to start it and it didn't work. So, like the professor said, gotta check the spark plug. Look at that. That's not gonna start. You're not getting any spark out of that, man. Gotta clean that. So, pulled started, and it started on its first pull. Then it ran for about 10 seconds, kind of throttled up and throttled down by itself. When it throttled down, it then throttled up higher by itself, and then it just quit, and I haven't been able to start it since. This auto choke thing kind of sticks, see? I'm pushing it with my finger, then it sticks there, it doesn't go back. Unless I force it back. Something's actually sticking there. See? Just stops there. It's supposed to be loose. And it sticks. There's something to do with the auto choke. So I've taken the whole damn thing apart again because you just have to figure it out, right? So, okay, look. Now it doesn't stick. Found out that this flap was a little bit too low. So when it went like this little part there got stuck on like the molded words that are in there. There's like a little number in there or something like that, and it's caught right there, you know, right there. So I just took a screwdriver and moved it up a little. Now it doesn't catch on that word, on those words. So now the flap freely moves. I don't know if that was it, but here you can only get access to the governor spring if you take the cowling off. So look, I'm moving the governor spring with my finger there, and it freely moves with some resistance. So that looks good. The muffler here, once it gets hot, this will move forward and push the auto choke forward so that it opens the choke flap. Otherwise it's closed for start. I can't find anything wrong with this thing right now. I definitely jinxed it when I said should be an easy fix. Oh well. I guess I'm gonna put everything back together again. Wouldn't you know it? It was just bad gas. It's water and water at the bottom of that tank. And after I flushed it out, put everything back together again. There it is. That's all it was. Bad gas. And I took that damn thing apart so many times just to figure it out. Just bad gas. Pisses me off. Well, you know, got it running now, so see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.